आदरणीय दर्शकबिन हामी आजको यो विविध सङ्गालो कार्यक्रमको अन्ततिर आइपुगेका छौँ। दर्शकबिन नेपाल पासापुसा अमेरिकाले आफ्नो संस्थामा सगरमाथा टेलिभिजनले पुर्याएको सेवाको कदर स्वरूप यो वर्ष हामीलाई $700 प्रदान गरेको छ, जसका लागि सगरमाथा टेलिभिजन परिवार नेपाल पासापुसा अमेरिकाप्रति आभारी छ। सगरमाथा टेलिभिजन तथा नेपाल दर्शन टेलिभिजन तपाईहरूको सहयोग, सल्लाह, सुझाव तथा प्रतिक्रियाको सधैँ अपेक्षा गर्दछ, जसका लागि हाम्रो ठेगाना हो सगरमाथा टेलिभिजन, PO Box 1400, लोर्टन, भर्जिनिया 22079। हाम्रो इमेल ठेगाना हो info@nepaltvusa.com। हामीलाई फोन गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। हाम्रो फोन नम्बर हो 703-926-9530। हस्त दर्शकबिन, यहाँहरू समक्ष पुनः एकपटक नयाँ वर्ष इस्वी सम्वत 2012 को हार्दिक मङ्गलमय शुभकामना व्यक्त गर्दै आजको यो विविध सङ्गालो कार्यक्रमबाट म सञ्चालक राम खरेल बिदा चाहन्छु। आगामी कार्यक्रमसम्मका लागि बिदा दिनुहोस्। नमस्ते तथा नयाँ वर्षको शुभकामना।
Watching Sagarmatha Television. Now it's time for a legal discussion with Mr. Ali Azar and Alfredo Asin, attorneys at law from the law office of Lewis and Associates in Falls Church, Virginia. Let's hear what they have to say today.
Namaste viewers, this is Ali Azar.
Namaste, this is Alfredo Asin.
And you're watching us from Falls Church, Virginia on this wonderful show, Sagarmatha Television. So Alfredo, I was thinking, since the holiday season is here and people are in a jovial mood and everybody likes to kick back, relax and have fun, unfortunately people also get in trouble sometimes this time of the year. I know we get our share of individuals walking in with traffic violations, with unfortunately DOIs, DWIs. So what happens if a person finds themselves in the unfortunate situation where they are arrested or detained for being under the influence and driving? What recourse do they have? What are the various steps that one should expect?
It's a great question, Ali. Mm-hmm. The first thing is obviously don't get behind the wheel if you're going to drink.
There you go.
Step one. But in the event that you do find yourself in one of these situations, the first thing that's going to happen is the police officer has to get what's called probable cause. He's going to walk up to your car. Usually you'll lower the window, and they're going to probably smell alcohol or something close, or find a bottle, whatever.
Right.
They're going to ask you to step out. The first thing they're going to ask you is, have you been drinking tonight? Again, in the United States, under the Fifth Amendment, you have a right not to incriminate yourself. So you can plead the Fifth, but the last thing you want to do is make an admission against yourself.
However, I was going to ask you, if it's interesting you're bringing that up, what if I refuse to, let's say, blow or into the breathalyzer or...
Okay. Well, that's another good question. There are two types of breathalyzers. There's the little tiny one that the police officer carries in his car. That's called the preliminary breathalyzer test, PBT. That one you can refuse to blow into. It's inaccurate and all of that. However, that usually gets if you do blow into it, it gets the police officer enough probable cause to bring you into the station to do an actual breathalyzer. If you refuse to blow into the actual breathalyzer, under Virginia law, it's a mandatory 1-year suspension of your driver's license for refusing to blow into the breathalyzer. That said, assuming if you do still proceed to refuse to blow into the breathalyzer, they will just take you to the hospital and draw your blood sample.
Interesting. So I guess the first thing, like Alfredo said, I mean, as much as we want to have fun, we want to make sure that we're having safe fun. We're not putting our lives and the lives of others around us in danger. If you do find yourself in a situation where you are pulled over, it's better to comply, but please don't feel obligated to volunteer information. What I would like to point out, and I'm sure Alfredo would say the same, is that getting a DUI or a DWI is expensive. It leaves a mark on your history. You have basically a criminal record. It can affect your employment. It can affect so many different things. It's also very expensive. The fines are quite high, from what I understand.
Extremely expensive. The fine, it's not just the fines. Your insurance will go up, everything. In Virginia, for a first DUI offense, it's a maximum fine of $2,500. In addition to that, you also have to pay for ASAP classes, lawyer fees. Your insurance is going to go up. You have to pay high-risk insurance on top of that. It's a whole number of fees.
Yeah, and if you're looking to work for an agency like a financial agency or a U.S. government agency, a lot of times this may create issues in terms of your background, your criminal history and whatnot, correct?
That is very correct. It can raise, especially if you have a clearance. So again, the important thing this holiday season is to just be careful, be responsible, and don't drink and drive.
I think this is about as much time as we have, so we're going to bid our viewers goodbye. This is Ali Azhar.
This is Alfredo Estein, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sagarmatha Television.
Now it's time for our health segment with Dr. Dan Biswakarma from Lorton, Virginia. Today he's going to talk about prostate problems and prevention.
नमस्कार, म डाक्टर दान विश्वकर्मा। आज म यहाँहरूलाई यो प्रोस्टेटको प्रब्लमको बारेमा चाहिँ छोटो जानकारी लिएर आएको छु। मैले यहाँहरूलाई गत हप्ता बताएको थिएँ कि यो प्रोस्टेट पनि एउटा यो पिसाबमा चाहिँ रगत बगाउने एउटा कारण हो। प्रोस्टेट भन्नुको अर्थ चाहिँ इन्लार्ज प्रोस्टेट। इन्लार्ज प्रोस्टेट, यो प्रोस्टेट ग्ल्यान्ड चाहिँ कस्तो ग्ल्यान्ड हो भने यो चाहिँ खास गरेर पुरुषमा मात्रै हुन्छ, जसले चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ यो पुरुषत्वको चाहिँ दिइराखेको हुन्छ। तर यो चाहिँ 50 वर्ष, खास गरेर 30 वर्षको उमेरदेखि नै चाहिँ यो ग्ल्यान्ड चाहिँ बढ्दै जाने हुन्छ। नर्मल अर्थमा भन्दाखेरिमा यो ओखरको गेडा जस्तो चाहिँ हुन्छ भनेर यो त्यही साइजको हुन्छ, तर बढ्दै गएपछि यसले चाहिँ के गर्छ भने पिसाबको बाटोमा चाहिँ एकदमै रोकावट ल्याएर त्यसले चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ पिसाब सम्बन्धी चाहिँ खराबी बनाइराखेको हुन्छ। यो प्रोस्टेट बढ्यो भने चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ एकदमै पिसाब बढी लागिराख्ने, त्यसै गरेर चाहिँ पिसाब लागिराखेको छ तर पिसाब फेर्न गयो पिसाब आउँदैन, जसलाई हामी हेजिटेसन भनेर भन्छौँ। र आइहाल्यो भने पनि एकदमै थोरै आउने हुने हुन्छ, र पिसाब आयो भने पनि थोपा जसलाई पुअर स्ट्रिम भनेर भनिन्छ त्यो चाहिँ भइराखेको हुन्छ भने। त्यसै गरेर पिसाबमा चाहिँ रगत पनि गइराखेको हुन्छ, त्यसले गर्दाखेरिमा चाहिँ हामीलाई अनिमिया हुनसक्छ भने। त्यसै गरेर बारम्बार पिसाबमा चाहिँ इन्फेक्सन हुन सक्ने सम्भावना पनि बढिराखेको हुन्छ भनेर मैले गत हप्ता बताएको थिएँ कि यसले चाहिँ हामीलाई चाहिँ हाइड्रोनेफ्रोसिस, जसलाई हामीले किडनी सुन्निने भनेर भनिन्छ, दुवैतिर सुन्निने हुने गर्दछ, त्यो पनि बनाउन सक्छ र यसले गर्दाखेरिमा चाहिँ किडनी फेलियर पनि हुनसक्छ। त्यसैले यदि यहाँलाई चाहिँ यस्तो लक्षण छ जसलाई राति उठिराख्नुपर्छ, पिसाब धेरै गइराख्नुपर्छ, पिसाबमा रगत आएको छ, पिसाब फेर्न गयो पिसाबै आउँदैन, धारो एकदमै कम भएको छ भने चाहिँ तपाईले यो तुरुन्त युरोलोजिस्टकोमा गएर चाहिँ सम्पर्क जाँच पडताल गराउनु पर्ने हुन्छ। हस्त म यो बिनाइन इन्लार्जमेन्ट अफ प्रोस्टेट, जसलाई हामी प्रोस्टेट बढेको भनेर भनिन्छ, त्यो सम्बन्धी छोटो जानकारी यति नै। अर्को हप्ता फेरि यस्तै जानकारी लिएर उपस्थित हुनेछु। त्यति बेलासम्म बिदा दिनुहोस्। नमस्कार।
Well, viewers, that's all for today. We hope you have enjoyed this episode of Sagarmatha Television. Don't forget to watch Nepal Darshan Television every Sunday at 12:30 p.m. right here on M8Z Networks. Now, we'd like to conclude today's episode with this beautiful Nepali dance. See you next week. Until then, I'm Shreyaska the Hall saying goodbye and namaste.
Yes,